Dr. Carnes for 2 years now. I came here as a last resort because I didn't know where to go anymore for the pain. All the regular doctors wanted to do was fill me full of pills and shots, which I really didn't want to take. I initially came here because I had pains in my neck. I couldn't move my neck to the left or the right, forward or back. I was getting constant migraine headaches that I couldn't get rid of, and I was living on Tylenol because I wouldn't take anything stronger. I came in here, and through manipulation and something that is the most absolutely wonderful thing I ever had, Dr. Carnes, cold laser. I don't have those pains or headaches anymore. The first time I used the cold laser, I was a little apprehensive because I think of laser, I think of cutting, I think of people going blind, and I was really nervous about it. So I laid there and I let the laser perform its magic, not thinking it would do very much. And Dr. Mike said, don't worry, you'll see a change in a few days. I woke up the next morning, and I told Dr. Carnes as he was laughing, I said, I thought I was dead. I said, and the reason I thought I was dead is I woke up, I got up, I did not have one pain in my neck, nothing in my head. I had no headaches. It was like a miracle drug, but it was a laser that I was afraid of. In a way, he saved my life by doing that because I couldn't move. I couldn't lift. It was getting hard to cook. I couldn't read because the pain was bothering me. I thank him 100 times every single day for that.
Wow. Thank you so much. That's incredible.
No, I called him the following morning, and I said, I left a message on his machine. I said, Dr. Mike, I woke up this morning and I thought I was dead.
I'm sure you must have dropped the phone when you heard that.
I said, I feel so good, I can't thank you enough. He called me back because I left the machine. He said, Sue, you scared the different daylights out of me.
I'm sure.
I said, you will not believe it, because I didn't know what it was not to have pain.
Wow.
Yeah, it's unbelievable.
Amazing when you get used to, right? And actually, too, I used to get a lot of headaches, too. And we have to go on, right? You have to live your life, so you get used to it after a while.
You know, I'm at the end of years. I don't want to be sick at my end of years.
Yeah.
So you try and find something that will help.
Yeah. Wow. Well, thank you so much.